Alright, so I bought this bag around the holidays last year. So I've had it for about, I don't know, 7-8 months. It's pretty clean still. That's because I don't take it off the work vehicle. I bought it with the intentions of using it as a secondary bag for my hand tools and my testing equipment. So it doesn't really leave the van because it's just, to me, it's not a main bag. I'm sure a lot of guys use it as a main bag, but for me, no. I'll show you guys. These are all my secondary tools. This is what I would, doesn't have much in it right now. If I need a tool, for example, I have these. These are just some nice wares. I haven't really used. These are still new. Just got those recently, honestly. I have my insulated kit in here. I had these in my OTMC. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I had these in there, but right now I'm not doing any live work. I have a job coming up for a flooring place, so I'll probably swap these out for. This is what I have in the OTMC right now. The rest of these set, but right now I don't really have a use for these, so these are going in here. I'll use them when I work laps up. So it's the same concept. It's the same concept as my MP1 and my OTMC. I just load the MP1 up with what I need from the OT, and this is just the next step from the OTMC for me. So I really like this. The whole concept of this was pretty sweet. I mean, as you could tell, it's pretty brand new. I've used it a couple times, but it did break this little button right here. It stopped working for some reason. I'm not sure, so I don't have the other battery in there right now. It just won't shut off anymore. So the laser, this is a laser level. The laser just won't shut off anymore. But luckily it's Klein Tools. They have a warranty. So we'll go to Home Depot and see if we can't switch it out. Maybe I'll be unlucky and I'll have an employee there that is not really willing to trade it in. Sometimes they ask for receipts. I don't know, we'll see. If anything, I might just go buy a brand new one, swap out the buttons, and call it good. Return the new one and get my money back. So what else we got in here? We got the Klein Tools cutters. This is a nice pair of cutters. I don't know what that's about, but I don't really use these all that often, but they're good. Just a random Klein Tools flathead. I'm really starting to get away from any kind of Klein Tools screwdriver, to be honest. I just like to wear switch my preference. You guys seen these before? Yeah, nothing super special about those. Just old crappy. Got this at Menards, I think. I don't have Menards out here where I'm living right now, but where I came from, they did, and it's awesome. I miss Menards. These are kind of random. I have this little baby tape measure on the side. I was doing trim work. Was it trim carpenter for a little while? Just wanted to learn how to do that. So these are just some random tools I had in here. From then I might as well just take those out. Actually, I could probably keep those in there, but oh, as seen before, the fellow Smart T handle. Still haven't used it. Probably won't. It's still cool though. Still wanted to have it. Whatever, you don't have one probably, so. An extra beater. Everyone's got a big beater, right? Yeah, it's just still a good beater. I just switched to the fatter handle. I like that one better. Some chip brushes, just in case, you know. Some scissors. I need to get some new ones, honestly. I found these in someone's attic. I was crawling around up there and just snagged them. I asked him. He's a buddy of mine. He didn't care. Some tin snips, like, for example, so these should probably be in my OTMC right now since I'm doing some commercial work and not in here. Probably throw those in there later on today. That's pretty much all I got in here. And this little, I don't know what you call it, this little flap. I keep a square. That's all I really keep in that big bag. Oh, what's in here? Oh yeah, the Racketeer, I think the 6-inch Allen set. It came with this. Racketeer is cool. I like Racketeer brand. There's some random, just the battery and nothing really in there. It did come with a strap. I'm using it for my MB2 right now. You guys don't need to see the strap. You know what the strap looks like. Just some tape on the side. This side. So I'll start out with this little flap. What do we got in here? I don't have nothing in here. I need to start filling this thing up, man. But in here, so this is my testing equipment side. I got these little volt pins. I need to throw this thing away, to be honest. But this is just an extra one. I like these. I like the style. It's very simple. It fits nice in my MP1. Yeah, I don't really like the Klein ones or the ones that have buttons on them. They're always making noise and stuff. This just does what it's supposed to. Simple, round. I like it. Put that back. No, actually. I also have some accessories for this guy, circuit tracer. I mean, this is pretty a popular tool. I like it. I am trying to get away from Klein tool stuff, at least the equipment stuff, because I want a Fluke. Fluke is just better, just simply just better. I am ashamed of this guy. This should honestly probably be in my main bag, but I don't know, I don't use it that often, but I am ashamed of it. I mean, it does the job, it's cool, whatever, but I need that Fluke T6 1000. I want that. I need that. I don't need it. I just want it. This does the job perfectly fine. So, speaking of Fluke stuff, I have a Fluke tracer. Nice little wand. Can't find a wire. Use a receiver. This will find it for you. It's a nice little tool to have. Fluke, baby. Fluke, baby. What else I have in here? I don't know why this is in here. It's just a stud finder. What is this? Oh, this is the laser level. That's all I really have in there. This bag did come with another, the V-swap panel, same as the other side. This is the meter tool setup. I don't know what it's called, honestly. I haven't really even used it, to be honest. I'll get some use out of it eventually, but whatever. I think it's like 50 bucks, honestly. I probably could have just bought it empty and bought the hand tool side, but it's cool. Yeah, man, I like this bag, but like I said, to me, it's not a main bag. To some other guys, it probably is. It is a expensive bag, but I mean, you can't go wrong with Veto Pro Pack. You know, they don't make any bad products, so I would say do it. I would say do it. Spend your money. Who cares, right? Thanks, guys.